sleepy time.
Hello friends, and welcome to Sleepy Time, bedtime stories for kids. Tonight, we have a magical journey awaiting us. We'll join Emil, a curious boy who discovers a magical science book that teaches him about the sky's incredible colors, rainbows, and the enchanting northern lights. Together, we'll explore the beauty and wonder hidden above us, learning how nature creates these dazzling displays. So, get cozy, close your eyes, and let's begin. Emil loved looking up at the sky. It was so vast and blue, and there were always new things to discover. One day, he found an old book in the attic. It wasn't like any other book he'd ever seen. It was magical and could speak. "Hello, Emil," said the book in a friendly voice. "I am the science book, and I can teach you everything about the sky and its colors." Emil felt excited. He always had many questions about the sky, and now he had found a book that could answer them all. "Why is the sky blue?" asked Emil curiously. "That's a great question," said the science book cheerfully. "It's because of sunlight. Sunlight isn't just clear. It's actually made up of many different colors, like the ones you see in a rainbow. When sunlight travels towards Earth, it meets the atmosphere, which is made of air and tiny particles. These tiny particles scatter the blue color more than any other color, because blue waves are shorter and smaller. So when we look up during the day, our eyes mostly see this scattered blue light, making the whole sky seem blue to us. Emil nodded thoughtfully. Then he asked, "But what about sunrise and sunset? Why does the sky become red and orange at those times?" "Ah, another wonderful question," replied the science book, excited to share more. "At sunrise and sunset, the sun is closer to the horizon, and its light must travel through more of Earth's atmosphere. Because of this longer journey, the blue and green colors scatter so much that they hardly reach our eyes. Instead, the warm colors like red, orange, and yellow can travel further without scattering as much, making the sky glow beautifully with these colors during early mornings and evenings. One day, Emil saw a rainbow after a rain shower. He ran out into the garden to see it more closely. "What exactly is a rainbow?" Emil asked the science book. "A rainbow is a beautiful display of light, created when sunlight hits raindrops," explained the book. Imagine each tiny raindrop acting like a miniature prism. When sunlight enters these little drops, it bends and reflects inside them. This bending and reflecting separates the sunlight into its many beautiful colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Together, these colors form the lovely arc you see stretching across the sky. It's nature's way of showing us all the colors hidden in a single beam of sunlight. Emil was fascinated by the rainbow. He now understood it was not just beautiful, but also a wonderful example of nature's magic. One winter evening, when the sky was dark and clear, Emil's father took him to a distant hilltop. Beneath a blanket of twinkling stars, Emil witnessed one of nature's most spectacular light shows: the Northern Lights. The sky filled with swirling curtains of green, bluish, and purple lights. It felt as if the sky was dancing, a magical performance unfolding before Emil's amazed eyes. "What is this?" Emil asked his father. "These are the Northern Lights," his father said. "They appear when charged particles from the sun reach Earth's atmosphere. These particles collide with the gases in the atmosphere, releasing energy that creates colorful lights." Emil stood quietly, overwhelmed by the beauty and magic of the Northern Lights. He watched silently, completely absorbed by this natural miracle. After these amazing experiences, Emil was no longer just a boy admiring the colors of the sky. He was a boy who understood the science behind them. He knew that the sky was a place filled with wonders, and he was eager to learn more. Emil and the science book became best friends. They spent many hours together, exploring the mysteries of the sky. Emil learned about stars and planets, clouds and rain, wind and weather. He discovered the infinity of the universe and the incredible power of nature. And most importantly, he learned there would always be more to discover. The sky was an endless source of fascination, and Emil knew he would never stop exploring it.